long have you sat in the shadows?
I would stay still if I were you. Hearken to me. I release you from the spell.
You have no power here, Gandalf the Grey.
I will draw you, Saruman, as poison is drawn from a wound.
Wait.
If I go, Theoden dies. You did not kill me. You will not kill him. Rohan.